Maven on Mac. Install the CLI, verify Java. Start with the real error. If Maven is missing, install Maven with Homebrew. On Mac, this also brings in the Homebrew links Maven, and now the mvn command is available in your terminal. Verify the exact version. This machine is running a patch. Now check the binary path. It should point to the Homebrew bin folder. Create a clean demo folder so the setup is easy to follow. Generate a tiny Java project with Maven archetype. List the project files. A real Maven project always starts with pom.xml. Run Maven test. The test passes with 0 failures and 0 errors, so the install is actually working. Now package the project. Maven builds the jar. Build success means Maven compile. List the jar to prove the artifact was created. Run the generated app through Maven. This avoids a job. The app prints hello world. That is the first. Final check, Maven version and Java version are both visible. Maven is ready.